morning, third grade, and happy Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, April 21st, 2000. That's right, 20. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated. All right, so today is Hello Readers. We are celebrating National Library Week today. You have a little message on the left here that you can read in your spare time, your free time. Basically, it is honoring our national librarians. So shout out to Mrs. Marrera today, and it gives you a little bit of a history lesson if you read it. All right, quickly looking at our morning to-do, make sure you check in. Everyone did a really great job yesterday. Almost all of us participated in the daily check-in. I love to read your responses, so please make sure you participate because I also do use that, like always, for attendance. Check in today's agenda. If you have not read the agendas that I'm about to go over today, my suggestion, pause the video and take a look at them now. All right. Greetings. Tell someone at home something special about a library, whether it's our school library or our public library. What is something special that you think about our library to honor National Library Week? There's a fun activity called Boom Chicka Boom. Check it out. I thought it was really cool. All right, let's take a look at our week. So you will notice that today is Tuesday. These are our assignments for the day. Sorry, I lost my train of thought there. We are going to be doing math. We're going to be introduced to fractions on a number line through Khan Academy. This is a new resource we are using. You are going to have to sign up. The only person, shout out to Sophia Streep, who signed up a while ago. Everyone else needs to sign up using the class code, which we'll see in a little bit. After, you are going to then be completing a freckle assignment. We're going to be reading, not research, and as always, there are optional activities. Some of us maybe have not done the Monterey Bay Aquarium video, so you're always welcome to do that, or we have our national holiday, which we'll go over later. Some of you may notice that writing was pushed to tomorrow. We will be starting reading Those Shoes tomorrow and Thursday, so you will not have writing today. Like always, our blank copy if you want to print it. Our Spirit Week challenge is to try out some coding. There's a coding activity link here if you would like to try it out. Maybe you can send me a picture of you trying the coding or in action. That'd be really cool. Find out our Spirit Weeks if you log on today. Here are our early finisher activities. We have reading, we have math. Like Aditya said in our Zoom call yesterday, you do need a class code for Prodigy, so I did put it in there. Also, if you notice Earth Day hat project, you can make an Earth Day hat project at home, and then on our Zoom call on Friday for Arbor Day, maybe you can wear your hat, and that would be really cool. I think that would be really fun. All right, because of Winn-Dixie, we have 4 chapters up for read aloud. Some of us have already heard chapter 19. Keep pointing like that's my finger. Chapter 19, chapter 20. But these are our new read aloud here. Chapter 20 and 21 is in one video. The Flipgrid will be here. You can click the link to leave your Flipgrid videos. Reading, we already talked about. You will rewatch Mrs. Weisbrod's video. You're going to do a new book, a different book, but the same subtopic. So make sure you use the same graphic organizer from yesterday to help you take notes from a different book about the same topic. You do not need to watch the full Mrs. W's video because step 3 will be tomorrow's lesson. So I would stop when she starts talking about step 3. Additionally, Mrs. Traverson, shout out to Mrs. Traverson, made a video, an additional video that you can use as well. To make life a little easier for you, I added this slide back in because it does have the links to all of the epic book collections. Here is the math slide for today, how I talked about earlier in our daily agenda. You'll notice that the class code is here to sign up for Khan Academy. Today you're going to watch a video about 5 minutes long to teach you how to go from learning about fractions and circles to now taking it into a number line. There will be a practice, which I will get an email that you have completed. And then last but not least, if it goes away, there we go. You're going to complete an exit slip on Freckle. I believe it's 5 questions on Freckle. So I don't expect you to spend 20 minutes on Freckle doing it, but I expect you to take your time on it and make sure you're really reading the questions because some questions have more than one answer. Huh, I don't know. Yes, science video. We finally got it back up. I know Sanjana, shout out to Sanjana, completed this yesterday. How long can people and animals survive in the outer space? And our national holiday is National Kindergarten Day. I believe some of us have siblings who are kindergartners, so give them a hug today for National Kindergarten Day. And if you'd like, research the holiday and find a way to celebrate it at home. All right, so that is our digital agenda for today. I hope that you have a great day. If you have any questions, I will be in the chat from 9 to 1 and 2 to 3:30. After that, I do sign out for the day. Have a great day. Keep being rock stars. I miss you all, and bye.